Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add contact form in Squarespace. So let's start on a Squarespace app. So what you want to do is just click on whatever editing that you have and click plus here. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see contact, and then you're gonna see also form here if you want to get in touch, right? So I'm going to choose this one here, for example, and it will automatically add to your website. Now what you want to do is just simply click on like name and on the form, and you can actually change the form name here. Then you're gonna see form fields here. Then we got a name, email, message. What you want to do, you can also add another item if you want to. That's like really up to you. Then you're gonna see name here, description, you can also add that. When I go back, I got also email here. You can add placeholder if you want to. And that's pretty much it. Now, then you're gonna see like the storage here and send. When there's someone is going to send, you will just add here the mail here. Or you can connect to Zapier or MailChimp. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.